got additional battery, memory card, and this battery was free. I had a deal for $3.99. So that was, I got information. Let's see. This is the new Enduro battery. With the Enduro battery, they say in cold temperatures, it's going to be better, and also this runs longer. The charger and everything is the same, so don't worry about that. And from here, this is the box. So let's open it and see what we got here. I like that they give you the hard case. So let's open that. So this is what it comes with: the regular cable, the battery. This plug is great because this is the click-on plug, and this is for curved, so this is for your helmets and stuff. Of course, the screw in, and finally the bad boy itself. I love that they are giving you now this blue branding. I think it looks really cool. It's a little bigger than GoPro 8 and 7. Let's fire this sucker up and see how it looks. So what you have to do is you have to come to this gate, and then you have to push this out, and then just drop the battery, put that in. There we are, up and rolling. I mean, it makes sense that it's at 2%, so I'm going to put this on charging. But what I really like is this front screen. I really appreciate, like, when I'm taking selfies or something, I would love to have this screen. So this is it, guys. I'll be making another video with more features and stuff, but yeah, keep tuning in.